Student, let's continue with our lesson, the Western Desert. Till now, we studied about the what is desert and the Thar Desert, that is Great Indian Desert, and its geographical area, land surface of Western Desert, and the climate of Western Desert. Today we will study about an oasis and the life of the people in Western Desert. So the plural of oasis is oasis. An oasis is a place in a desert where there is water and where plants can grow. The source of water can be some river, well, or spring. It can come from rain that falls on some nearby hill. At such places in a desert, people live permanently and grow crops. They grow wheat, maize, gram, jowar, bajra and other crops. Trees like palm, kikar and babul also grow in such places. So, we know that in a desert there we find very little water and few plants. But in that region some place is there where there is water and where plants can grow. That place is known as oasis. And the source of water in this oasis is some river, well or spring, or from the rain that falls on some nearby hill, as we know that it is near the northern plains and northern mountains. So from there it is near to rain comes from nearby hill, water goes to an oasis. And at this place people live permanently as they get water and things from there. Plants are there and they grow crops. The types of crops that they grow are wheat, maize, gram, jowar, bajra and many kinds of other kinds of crops. And trees like palm, kikar and babul also grow in these places. Now let's see the picture of an oasis. Here you can see the picture of an oasis. Full area is surrounded by sand, but in between there is water. Animals are there. People are taking water from this source, and the plants you can also see nearby. This is also a picture of an oasis. Now let's see what government has made project to turn this desert area into an green land. Our government has been making efforts to turn the Western Desert into a green land. The Satluj Canal, also known as the Indira Gandhi Canal, supplies water to some parts of this region. It is a very long canal. All along it, green fields have come up. Now, one can see golden crops growing even in this desert area. Everyone knows that today government has overcome so many projects to turn the Western Desert into a green land. One canal is there, that is the Satluj Canal, also known as the Indira Gandhi Canal. It is the longest canal of India, supplies water to this region, and because of they are getting water from this canal, this desert area turned into a green land, and we can see this field turning into a green land. Now one can see golden crops growing even in this desert land. Here picture is there in your book. You can see that turning desert into a green land. Now about canal. You should know what do you mean by canal. Canal is a deep cut that is made through land so that water can flow to an area where it is needed. So from this canal the water can be supplied to the region where there is no water and where there is a needed of water. This is the picture of Indira Gandhi Canal. It is a man-made canal, strip of water used for irrigation purpose. Now come to the topic life of the people. Life in a desert is very hard. People do not get enough water for their needs. Often they have to walk many kilometers to get water from wells, tanks or springs. They have to keep moving from place to place to find pastures for their animals. Their main animals are camels, goats and sheep. People who keep moving from place to place with their animals are called nomads. So you know that life in a desert is too hard, as there is not enough water for their needs. They have to walk many kilometers for taking the waters from well, tanks or springs. Even they don't have enough food for them also and for their animals also. So they keep moving from place to place. They are not living permanently in one place. They are moving along with their animals, like camels, goats and sheep. And the people who keep moving from place to place with their animals are called nomads. They are not living at one places. They are moving place to place with their animals for finding the pastures. Pasture means a field or land covered with grass where animal can feed. So you will not find that type of field in a desert area. So they keep moving place to place. Let me show you the picture of nomads people. Here you can see people are moving with their animals, and like camels, and camels are carrying load of peoples and they are grazing the field. Okay, so clear about an oasis and life of the people in desert. So that's all for today. Thank you.